Welcome to the second day of the Hannover Fair 2022 here at our HARTING booth in Hall 11 C15. So this year we are talking about new technologies, about new connectivity in case of modularization. And Beneke, together with me here, he is the expert for the Han-Modular and even more for the new Han-Modular Domino modules. What are the benefits? What is really the secret behind these modules?
Well, the Domino modules are really the highlight of this year's exhibition here on the HARTING stand. Modular connectors are well known, and HARTING has really generated the market standard for modular solutions. And with the Domino modules, we have basically transferred the modular thinking to the next level. The idea of the Domino modules is pretty simple, and I think it can easily be explained when looking here at this model which we have created. On the top half you see traditional modules, meaning individual inserts which can be combined in a very flexible way to create a connector exactly according to the requirements of the application. On the lower side here you see the Domino modules which we have now generated, and they actually consist of two halves which are clicked together and which in the end form another new module. And this real-life sample here shows very nicely what a connector based on Domino modules really looks like. And the key idea, of course, is to offer more flexibility in the different applications we are dealing with, and also to offer the opportunity to make connectors even smaller. Yeah. Meaning saving space, saving in the end also energy depending on the application. And that's really the key message and the key solution we are providing here.
But you have added a new function. So this is a blue module. What is this module?
With modular connectors, you can combine data, signal, power, and pneumatic transmissions. So blue is for pneumatics. Yeah. So combining everything in a maximum compact design is really the key idea behind the solution.
Yeah. And we are very happy that we have been nominated for the Hermes Award this year. So for this enabling technology for the industrial transformation, that means connectivity is a must for the industrial transformation. And there are some more highlights here at our booth. So I've seen something about high power, high performance transmission for transportation, for example. So there are some more details to explain.
Okay. Yeah, it goes without saying that we do not only have one highlight, we have several highlights here on the stand. So we have made new solutions for power transmissions. So the HPTC series you have just mentioned provides power transmission up to 1,400 amps. So really a lot of energy for transformer applications. We also have realized new series of hoods and housings. So in the end, massively expanding our portfolio, offering new solutions for applications out there in all the markets we're active in.
Yeah, so that was really the brief introduction into the connectivity story of HARTING. So, welcome. I would like to welcome you here and see you soon.